Hello my friend, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. I see all your subscriptions. Then for those of you who are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Put on your notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to see. So don't forget to share, let your friends know, and leave a comment for me. So my friends, as part of my herbal deep dive, I want to show you two creative ways you can enjoy turmeric in your smoothie. The other day I showed you a creative way of making healing turmeric face mask, and it looks like you guys enjoy the video. So today I'm also going to give you two creative ways you can enjoy your turmeric. So the very first one is turmeric tonic with ginger and lemon, while the second one is berry citrus turmeric smoothie. So let's try the turmeric tonic for a nice pick-me-up, or the berry turmeric smoothie for a clean sweet treat. These recipes and formulas are the ones you can feel good about incorporating into your routine by using clean, fresh ingredients. So let us start with turmeric tonic with ginger and lemon, of course. So turmeric tonic with ginger is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. This tasty tonic is great way to start your day, or something you can drink at any time of the day, whether you are in your office, in your shop, in your business environment, or even in your home. All right, so it is very easy to prepare. All you need is just, let's say, 2.5 cup of water. So we are looking at approximately 591.47 milliliters, that's ml. Then you need just one whole lemon slice, be it fresh or dried, anyone you can lay your hands on. Then we need about 0.56 grams of ginger powder and 0.575 grams of turmeric powder. That's all you need for this particular recipe. Then what do you do with this? You boil your water, that particular water you measured out. Just boil it. Then when it's boiled, use your kettle or any clean pan at all. So long the pan is free from oil, pepper, or any scented stuff, it is fine to use it. Okay, so what you do is you add your lemon, your ginger, your turmeric inside the water that you boiled. Turn them very well, let them and allow them to simmer for like 10 minutes, okay, or let's say 30 minutes, so all the goodness in your lemon and your ginger turmeric will enter the water. Okay, so after that, just sieve it, pour it in your jar, or maybe your mug. You can refrigerate it, or you serve it over ice. This turmeric ginger lemon tonic is very yummy with all the health benefits it packs. So the second one is called berry citrus turmeric smoothie. Like I told you, this berry citrus turmeric smoothie offers a variety of health benefits packed with antioxidants from berries. It helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation. So the citrus in it has a boost of vitamin C. You already know that, I mentioned it before, which supports our immune system and skin health as well. Turmeric, with its active compound called curcumin, is known for its potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially helping in joint health and reducing chronic inflammation. So these two recipes, if you have aging parent, in fact anyone in your home from 40 years above, try to be serving them these drinks and smoothie. They will love it, and it will help them in their health and overall wellness. Okay, so the combination of these ingredients provide a nutrient-rich, refreshing drink that promotes overall wellness, supports the immune system, and contributes to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant defense. So turmeric and orange juice add tangy taste. I love it. While the strawberries and goji berries provide sweetness and a bit of texture. Please, I know goji berry is not easy to find here. Please get beetroot. Beetroot can do this for you, all right? Strawberry can also do it for you if you can't get goji berry, because goji berry, I import mine from America, okay? So I don't think you will sign, but if you see goji berry, fine. So what do you do? All you need to do is to bring 240 milliliter of almond milk, or let's say 1 cup, but I don't like talking about cup because there are different sizes of cup, so I love to do standard measurement. So 240 ml of coconut milk, all right? Then get your frozen strawberries, let's say 225 grams of it. Then you get your orange juice, about 120 ml of your orange juice, your turmeric powder about 2 grams, your ginger powder about 1 gram, and the berry, like the either your goji berry or your beetroot, anyone you can lay your hand on. All you need to do is to combine all the ingredients together, blend them in your blender, and you have your lovely and healthy smoothie looking at your face. You can drink it immediately, put in your refrigerator a bit, or you can serve over ice and drink. So this is all. Please, turmeric is very, very powerful in our system, so you have to find different ways to incorporate turmeric in your foods, beverages, and your skincare routine. That is all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, put on your notification button, so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to see it. Please like, share at the same time, and leave a comment. Tell me how you feel about my videos. That I always say, see you next time. Maybe I will be bringing you how you can incorporate ginger and turmeric in your foods. We have done turmeric in your skincare. We have done turmeric in your beverages. So the next one will be turmeric in your foods. I am coming. Stay tuned. Stay glued. Bye bye.